Today, let's tackle about contemporary economics issue facing the Filipino entrepreneurs. Investment and interest. Betrayal and corruption. When investing, you need to find it the company you are planning to invest possess the credentials and competencies. Interest is the monetary charge for the privilege of borrowing money. For example, you may pay 1.2% interest monthly on the unpaid balance of your credit card. Investments made by businesses to drive their production. In theory, these investments tend to be solely based on the input side of production. For example, the quantity of real GDP demanded at a price level of 1.0 rises from 8,000 billion pesos per year at point C to 8,100 billion pesos per year at point. Rentals. Rentals is giving payment to the property of the owner for occupying the latter. Some renters have the tendency to have financial problems. Economic rent is an amount of money earned that exceeds that which is economically or socially necessary. For example, when a buyer working to attain a good or service that is considered exclusive makes an offer prior to hearing what a seller considers an acceptable price. Minimum wage. It is the entrepreneur's obligation and responsibility to give the right of her or his workers. One of those right is their minimum wage. Minimum wage. Wage rate established by collective bargaining or by government regulation that specifies the lowest rate of which labor may be employed. For example, employers may be allowed to count tips received by employees as credits toward and mandated minimum wage level. Taxes. Taxes is an amount of money that the government requires people to pay. Direct taxes. Direct taxes are levied by government on the income and wealth received by households and businesses. Indirect taxes. Indirect taxes are levied by government on goods and services to raise revenue and to act as an instrument of fiscal policy. Taxes are mandatory contributions levied on individuals or corporates by a government entity, whether local, regional, or national. Tax revenues finance government activities including public works and services such as roads and schools or programs such as Social Security,